Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And here I am with my son on our VESC XRs, enjoying a nice weather. I'm on my Monster VESC XR 20S 3-piece with 1080 watt battery capacity and super flux motor. My son on 75 volts, which is 18S 2-piece, and it's a hypercore motor, which for him, he's much lighter than myself. He's flying like a evil Knievel sometimes. And in this video, I'm going to talk about VESC. And actually, I'd like to tell a story how I built my VESC, why I built that VESC. I mean, what it did motivate me to build it in the first place. Because I was, from beginning, I was a Fisher Motion fanboy, I should call. I got my XR, or it was like, what, 5 years ago, 4 years ago, I don't remember exactly. Then few years later, I believe I bought GT, and I rode that one for almost a season. And when it breaks down, I contacted Fisher Motion for repair because it's still under warranty, and that's when was nightmare start beginning. Fisher Motion is really bad to dealing on the warranty repairs, and they treat me like shit. I wasted like over a month time, and after that I said, okay, I'm done with Fisher Motion. I never gonna buy it any product. And I tell to myself, okay, now I'm building my own conversion of a Onewheel. It's gonna be VESC. I was gonna build it something special, something powerful, something bigger battery capacity, because at that time XR it's 320 watt battery capacity, and it's good for like 10 miles with my weight. GT it was 540, and the best case scenario I got less than 14 miles on full charge. And pretty much I set goal at that time to build it something in a weight area, I mean in weight specs, something similar to GT, but with much higher battery capacity. And I was kind of laughing at the time. I said, okay, I was gonna build something with huge big battery, which for Fisher Motion is gonna take another decade to build it something similar. And in the end, I feel like I did reach my goal very well, because that wheel, what I'm riding right now, it's a 1080 watt battery capacity. There's nothing from Fisher Motion even will come close. GT is 540, and I got 1080, it's twice more. GTS and XL, I believe it's in 440 or so, and pretty much my board 2.5 times more bigger battery capacity. And it's, like I said, it's a 12S 3-piece. Here's a picture how the battery looks. It's a split pack, a 12S 3-piece in the back and 8S 3-piece in the front, which is really awesome for weight distribution. And the weight distribution is really amazing compared to GT. And here on this picture you can see the frame and both front and back battery box with batteries and controller already. Now you see how the split pack works actually, I mean front and back. That's why the balance is so nice. Let's put it in. 4 cans, still rear end is heavy. Okay guys, we're back. And you probably did recognize it already. I have only one Pepsi can on this desk. Pretty much you already know probably what's gonna be. Right there. On this board, the weight distribution so good due to a split pack. It takes only 1 can. Also, when I built this board, first I was running on a hypercore motor, and hypercore motor version, it was only 36.2 pounds, which really close to original GT, stock GT. They claim it's 35 pounds. Some people said it's 36 pounds. Here is my GT, and with few upgrades, not much, not too crazy, but it's already 36.4, which is my Monster VESC XR with hypercore motor. It's actually 0.2 of a pound. It's lighter than my GT. It's really amazing, and it's really amazing board. Even with hypercore motor for lighter guy, you can do 40 plus on top speed. But because I'm a heavy dude, 290 with all my gears, and I have to go with Superflux, which is 41.4 pounds. And for someone it sounds a lot, so for someone it doesn't sound too much, especially because it's a 1080 watt battery capacity, and it's built on XR. In my opinion, XR is the best platform you can get. Lower center of gravity, better ground clearance, and with the way I design it and build it, it's a perfect weight distribution. And like I said, I mean, thanks to Future Motion, the way they treat customer, they did push me towards VESC, and pretty much thanks to them, I built this monster, and I'm glad I did. And it's a mind-blowing machine on a full charge. For myself, if I'm chilling like right now, it will do around 40 miles. If I haul at my ass at 20 plus mile, then it will do around 30. For lighter guy, 150 pounds or so, this board will do around 75-80 mile probably on a full charge. I never tested to completely drain it. I mean, I'm kind of too old, too heavy, and my legs give up before battery get empty. But it's really amazing machine, and like I said before, probably for Future Motion it's gonna take another decade to build it something similar. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.